Omnistrate enables you to distribute your software or agents through on-prem, BYOC, PaaS, SaaS, or agentic SaaS distribution channels with out-of-the-box billing, tenant subscription, and infrastructure management, including Day 2 automated ops. In this demo, we'll walk through the experience your customers get with your customer portal generated via Omnistrate in the BYOC and PaaS distribution channels. For other distribution channels, please refer to Omnistrate YouTube channel. You define the customer-facing login experience on a branded domain name for your product and support for identity providers such as Google, GitHub, or even Enterprise SSO. Your customers can deploy your product through the distribution channels you've enabled. You can offer different subscription tiers. In this example, I am showing both PaaS and BYOC subscription tiers. Free is multi-tenant. Lite provides dedicated deployments, Pro adds custom networks to dedicated deployments, and Ultra, the enterprise tier for BYOC channel, runs fully isolated instances in the customer's own cloud account for maximum control and compliance. You can customize each tier. For example, you can choose to keep it simple and not ask any inputs from the customer, or you can let them specify which cloud providers and regions they want to use. Your customers can configure network isolation or their infra requirements. You can also allow your customers to provide application-specific parameters, like credentials, runtime parameters, to fully customize each deployment as per their needs. Your customer can not only provision the deployments but also update, govern, and manage their deployments from the same portal. For example, your customers can monitor the real-time health and load out of the box to learn how their deployments are performing. They can manage deployments through lifecycle actions, such as start, stop, modify, and reboot. Auto-scaling allows your customers to scale dynamically based on demand. Backup and restore, including point-in-time recovery, is also available. You can enforce licensing for on-prem and BYOC deployments. Live logs and metrics make it easy for customers to observe, troubleshoot, and optimize deployments. They can customize the DNS of the deployment endpoint. And if you have chosen BYOC, they can also securely access Kubernetes dashboard. We also support offline mode for your customers if they prefer to stay completely offline unless they need help on the special cases. They can simply connect back securely, perform the desired operations, whether it's modify, upgrade, get troubleshooting assistance, or deploy new installs and go back to the disconnected state. Your customers can manage access within their organization by inviting team members and assigning predefined roles, such as editor or reader, with scoped permissions. You can provide full audit logging and real-time alerting out of the box. Every customer operation is tracked, and alerts help them stay ahead of operational issues. Your customers get visibility into usage and costs through Cost Explorer, making it easy to track consumption. Your customers can view and pay their invoices. Stripe is the default billing provider, but you can also bring your own. For the full list of features, check omnistrate.cloud. With Omnistrate, you deliver a powerful, flexible, enterprise-grade experience through your customers' preferred distribution channels in days, not years. If you have already started, you can simply extend your existing stack without replacing anything to add new distribution channels or extend your existing distribution channel. To learn more, or if you want to see it in action, visit omnistrate.cloud or simply request a demo. We'd love to show you what's possible.